What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to draw support lines and trend lines. This is great for beginners. Um, First, we're going to go in here. What I usually like to do is go into a weekly time frame. And once you're in the weekly time frame, um, you can see the bigger picture. So usually what I like to do is create different zones. So here's a great resistance line. Um, don't don't really sweat whether it's a wick or body. I just look at the highest point, which is right here, and you could even come down to here where this first wick touches, and create your support line. Now, down here in this section, you could either say here, or I would put it around here because it's more touches. And you can also, some people do the lowest point on the chart, which would be around here. And so if we go into the daily, you can also see where your trend lines are too. Support lines are too. You see that? Now, trend lines usually go from the highest point, usually only need 2 touches. I always was taught 1, 2, and through. So 1, 2, and through. So that would be my trend line. Or you could put it right here also. That's 2 touches. Okay. So let's do another one. Let's find another one. Okay. Let's go into the weekly so we can get a bigger picture. All right. So, like I said, I usually pick the top, the highest point on the chart. We can put one here. And the lowest. The lows run around here. And then, okay, you could also argue to put one here or even here. I would say put it here because you get resistance here, and then turns into support here. So good resistance here, then support here. And a good key to look at when a support line is respected, most of the time the lines, the candlesticks will have wicks. They won't break the line. They'll just have wicks. Like, for instance, right these wicks right here. You could argue to put a support line right there, and you can see that the line was respected. It didn't break through, until you see a whole full bar going through the line, like right here. It broke through. Retested, touched it, didn't go through. Doesn't go through until all the way over here. It didn't break through until here. Broke down. Came down to this support line. Respected it. Now it's going back up. So this actually would have been a good play to get in. To get in around 410. You would be up to $6. So let's go into the daily and see how that looks. Yeah, so let's see on the daily. And when you make your trend line, what I said, you remember when I said 1, 2, and through. So if you started here, second one be there, and that's 1, 2, and through. Usually, if you duplicate that line, it should match up for the bottom of this channel right here. It should match up. Let's see, it does, which shows you that it is a channel on this market structure. Within these support lines, you have a channel. So if you were to buy here, you could have sold at the top of this channel until it broke through. So if you bought here at 1133, you could have sold at 1551, or even at the top of the resistance line at 1750. So what is that? It's almost a $5 gain within 2 months. About 2 months. Yeah, about 2 months. Which would have been a nice play. And once price broke through the structure here, you could have got out and started selling instead of buying. And that would have got you from 14.52 all the way down here to $3. So knowing your support lines and your resistance lines and your trend lines can play a big part in helping you make some money in the market. All right. If you have any questions, if you like this video, please comment, like, subscribe. All right. Take care.